Now we are going to see the rules for defining the integer constants in C. Now the first rule says that an integer constant must have at least one digit positive or negative. It must not have a decimal point, and there should be no commas or blanks when defining an integer constant. And the range of the integer constant is between the value of 32768 to 32767. So for example is 426 and minus 8000. These are the integer constants defined. The next is real constant. A real constant must have at least one digit positive or negative. It should have a decimal point, and there should be no commas or blanks when defining a real constant. And the range of the real constant expressed in the exponential form is minus 3.4 E38 to plus 3.4 E38. Now the next rule is for defining an real constant in exponential form. That means with mantissa and exponential when you are defining a real constant. Now for example is 3.2 e minus 5 or 4.1 e8. So the mantissa can have a positive or negative sign, and the default sign is positive. For exponential should have one digit can have positive or negative sign, and the default sign is positive. Now going ahead, we are going to see the rule for the character constants. A character constant is a single alphabet. It can be a digit or special symbol enclosed with single inverted commas. Now both the inverted commas should point to the left. The maximum length of the character is 1. For example is capital A, which is defined within the inverted comma, single inverted comma, A, small letter a, 1 and exclamation mark. So when character constant can have an alphabet, digit or a special symbol, but it should be enclosed within a single inverted commas. Now there are certain types of rules set for defining a variable, the variable names, like int a. So a is a variable name. A variable name is any combination of 1 to 31 alphabets, digit or underscore can be used for defining a variable. For example, a underscore marks. So you can use underscores for defining a variable. The first character in the variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. There should be no special symbol other than underscore, as in, for example, it's gross underscore salary can be used in the variable name. And there should be no commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. Now we are going to see set of keywords being set which cannot be declared as a variable name. So the set of keywords are auto, break. The keywords are the special words, the meaning whose meaning is made understood to the compiler. So you cannot use this words as keyword as the variable name. So they are auto, break, case, char, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, signed, sign off, static, struct, switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile and while. These are the words which come while we are using the syntax while writing a program. So you cannot use this as the variable name. The next we are going to see how to write a program in C, and that will be in the next video. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Now we are going to see the rules for defining the integer constants in C. Now the